Could they assume that I have used the entity framework code first approach, and then have generated the database based on the first 6 steps over here, and the table got created as well. And then I'm about to use the so-called scaffolding process to auto-generate the controller and the code in the controller and all the views for me, just like this, yeah, for me. But then in the process, boom, oops, I mean, the software give me this error message, no good, okay? So what could be the possible fix or fixes I can try? So actually, during this kind of steps 5 process, it give me some hint already. It kind of complain about some framework versions are a little bit old. Okay, yeah. So let me show it to you. Okay, yeah. Okay, so again, I can check on these dependencies. Okay, yeah. Folder expand it, and then expand the packages folder. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. Okay, yeah. So you can see that the version number are not quite the same. Okay, yeah. So that could be the reason it won't allow me to use the scaffolding process to generate all the code and views. Okay, yeah. So let me see how to fix that. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to use the tools and then the new get package manager, and then pick the solution. Okay, yeah. And then under the installed, I'm going to uninstall the version, the design with the version 5.0.0. Okay, so let me select that one, put the check mark and remove it. Okay, yeah. And then also the tools, yeah, it's a little bit old. Okay, yeah. So again, let me remove it. So you can see that under my packages over here, now I have the SQL package there only. Okay, now let me click the browse. Okay, yeah. So again, make sure you pick the browse. Okay, yeah. And then let me type in let's say design. Okay, yeah, design. And then this is the one I want, since I'm using the entity framework core package. Okay, yeah, or framework. So this is the design I want. And then it's pretty nice. Okay, it gave me the latest version 6.0.2. But now, I want them to use the same version number. Okay, like the one I use for my SQL server. So let me click on it, and then pick the 5.0.12. Okay, yeah. And then click install. Okay, yeah. And then accept. Yeah. So again, depends on your internet speed. Okay. Yeah, okay, so it's done. And then next one will be the tools. Okay, yeah, the tools. Yeah. All right, again, please pick the one right for you. Okay, yeah. So then again, I'm not going to use the latest version. Okay, so let me pick 5.0.12. Okay, yeah, the one agree with my 2 other packages. Okay, click install. Okay, yeah, accept. Yeah. All right, so 3 of them are there already. Now I can close this solution dialog box. I don't think that I need to use my my database explorer. Okay, the database is there, the table is there, all the fields got created correctly. Okay, so now again now I'm going to go back my step 7 to do this auto generate the controller. Okay, yeah, okay, for my controller and all the functions and all the views. Okay, yeah. So let me go back here. Okay, select the controller. Okay, yeah, right click the mouse button, pick add, a controller. Yeah, and pick the MVC controller with views. Okay, using the entity framework, and click add. And then the model I will be using will be contact. Okay, and then the database context file will be list name. Okay, For the controller name, you pick it, okay? Yeah, I will just use singular, okay? I will use just contact instead of context, okay? Yeah, and click add, okay? So it's doing the scaffolding, okay? Yeah, so okay, it will take a while. So later on, okay, under the views folder, okay, it will automatically create a folder with the name, okay, contact, and under the contact, okay, you will create, okay, 5 views. Yeah, okay. And then again, the under the controllers folder, it will create another controller called contact controller, okay? So let me just wait, yeah. There you go. So there you go. Okay, the contact controller is there. Okay, if you look into it, okay, you will have all the functions for index, detail, create, edit, yeah, create, edit, delete as well. Okay, yeah, putting it. Then for all the views, I can find it under the the views, yeah, the views, under the views, and then contact. Yeah, I can expand it, okay? Yeah, expand it. All the views, 5 views are there. Let me do a quick testing, okay? Yeah, debug, start without debugging. All right, okay, so this is the default one, but then show me the contact, okay? Yeah, so there you go. Okay, you can type it in. Let me type it in, contact. Okay, and then without / is fine. So you go to the database, and then go to the contact table, and then grab all the fields for me. Okay, yeah, I didn't put any data in there yet. Okay, so that's why yeah, if I see the select the view data on the table, then you can see that no data have been entered there. Okay, and then yeah, for fun, maybe quickly do a test. John, yeah. John, yeah, maybe a typo is fine. John Doe, phone 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Email, J Doe, yeah, J Doe at gmail.com. Category, tennis. I don't know. Yeah. All right. So let me do this kind of refresh. Okay, on the view. Okay, yeah, refresh. Data, legit. Yeah, you can do the details. Okay, yeah, you can do the delete. Okay, I'm not going to click it. Okay, yeah, you can do the update. Okay, yeah, put in it. Yeah, put in it. Yeah, all right. Yeah, I hope that this is useful. Yeah. So again, the key is that make sure that you have all the kind of the same version number. Okay, sometimes if you have different version numbers, they are pretty troublesome. Okay, yeah. All right, let me stop the recording.